First I will explain you single line diagram of 400 kV switchyard, and then I will take you to the real 400 kV switchyard tour with explanations. You must watch the full video to understand everything. Let's start. Hey, so this is our single line diagram of 400 kV switchyard. This 400 kV switchyard is for a thermal power plant which is situated at Durgapur, West Bengal. So you must watch the full video so that you understand everything. So before I explain you the single line diagram, let us see the meaning of arrow first. So this green arrow indicates that power is being supplied to the bus bar, and this pink arrow indicates that power is being withdrawn from the bus bar, and this blue arrow indicates that power is being withdrawn for station transformer. So before explaining you the single line diagram, let us see the symbol and its description first. So this symbol is for generator transformer, this symbol is for station transformer, this symbol is for interconnecting transformer ICT, this symbol is for circuit breaker. We have SF6 circuit breaker in this switchyard. This symbol is for earth switch, and this symbol is for isolator. We have HCV isolator here, and this symbol is for wave trap. So now you know that power is fed to the bus bar via generator 1 bay and generator 2 bay, which are marked in green, and power is withdrawn via these 4 lines which are marked in pink color, and these 2 lines here withdraws electric power from the bus bar for the station transformer. So now let me explain the generator 1 bay, which provides electric power to the bus bar. So this is our generator which produces electric power. After that there is a transformer which step up the voltage from 21 kV to 400 kV. After that there is earth switch, and then there is isolator, and then there is an interconnection between the generator bay and the station transformer. Isolator, then earth switch. After that we have a circuit breaker. We have SF6 circuit breaker in this switchyard. After that earth switch. Next there is an isolator, and then earth switch, and after that electric power is fed into the bus bar. So this is the way in which electric power is fed into the bus bar. You can see there is an interconnection between the generator bay and the station transformer. If the main bus bar fails, then station transformer will not be able to draw power. So that is why there is an interconnection between the generator bay and station transformer. So this bay is exactly same as this one, so I don't need to explain it again. Let me tell you that there are 2 current transformers beside each and every circuit breaker, which is not shown in this diagram. Now let me explain this bay which withdraws the power from the bus bar. So there is an isolator, and then an earth switch. After that we have a circuit breaker, then again earth switch, then an isolator, and then there is interconnection between these 2 lines, and then an isolator, and then earth switch, and then there is wave trap. Wave trap is used to stop high frequency signals from entering into the circuit, which may damage the equipments. And you can see that the arrangement in this line is exactly the same in this. So this is the way electric power is fed into the circuit and electric power is withdrawn from the circuit. So now we have understand the single line diagram of 400 kV switchyard. Now I will take you to the real 400 kV switchyard and explain everything there. Now let's go to the real 400 kV switchyard tour. You must click on the video icon, or the link is also given in description. Let's go.